सिक्किम के गंगटोक जिले के रानीपुल में बीते शाम एक तंबोला कार्यक्रम में भयावह हादसा हो गया। कार्यक्रम में ट्रक के अचानक घुस जाने से 3 लोगों की मौत हो गई। ट्रक के दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होने से 20 लोग घायल भी हुए, जिन्हें मणिपाल अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया गया। गंगटोक के जिला मजिस्ट्रेट तुषार निखारे ने घटना की जानकारी देते हुए बताया कि शनिवार शाम करीब 7:30 पर रानीपुल में तंबोला कार्यक्रम चल रहा था। तभी कार्यक्रम में एक ट्रक वहां घुस गया, जिससे 3 लोगों की मौत हो गई और करीब 20 मरीजों को अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया गया है। फिलहाल सभी निगरानी में हैं।
At around 7:30 p.m. There's a place called Ranipur. So Ranipur is a Tambola program that was going on, and on the sidelines of that program, a truck rammed into the gathering, and unfortunately, we lost 3 of our precious lives, and almost 20 other patients have been admitted in Manipal. So as of now, they are under observation. All the medical attention is being paid to them, and hopefully we are hopeful of not increasing any casualty numbers as such. And for your viewers' information and for all of us, Sikkim government has already announced under the direction of Honorable Chief Minister that the next of the kin will be paid 5 lakhs from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. All the expenses of the patients undergoing treatment in Manipal also will be borne by state government itself. And if any referral has to be made outside the state for any critical patients for which the treatment might not be available and they require specialized attention, so that expenses will also be borne by the state government.
And what is the understanding of the driver? Was he under influence? Anything
that is again a part of investigation, which I would not like to comment because the details are yet to come. So once the details emerge, then we will let you know as per the police authorities, and they will
About the vehicle, sir? About the vehicle, it was registered with Sikkim Milk Union is what is being said currently.
As of now, the preliminary report and the press release which also has been given by Sikkim Milk Union, which you must have read about it, is that the vehicle was already auctioned in 2 years back, and it was no more with Sikkim Milk Union. But as and when the details emerge, we will provide you.
Sir, obviously there might be some questions and concerns that might arise with regards to the timing of the Mela as well as the location of the area falling into the Gangtok district. How do you comment, sir?
That is a part of the policy, again, what I was briefing earlier also. So we'll give our inputs to the government, and again it's a matter of policy. So whatever directions that the government gives as per the reports that we'll submit along with the points, we'll come out with the detailed guidelines of that also.
And was the Mela happening as per time and the venue itself, sir?
It was as per the time, but the details are being given to the office of SP. So I would like to take a look, but I am sure the
permissions were sorted.
If it was beyond the time, it would have been imposed by the police authorities. So
5 लाख के मुआवजे का ऐलान। डीएम तुषार ने कहा कि मरीजों पर पूरा ध्यान दिया जा रहा है। डीएम ने आगे बताया कि उम्मीद है कि हम मौत की संख्या में बढ़ोतरी नहीं होने देंगे। सिक्किम सरकार ने मृतकों के परिजनों के लिए 5 लाख के मुआवजे का ऐलान किया है। साथ ही मामले की पूरी जांच की जा रही है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम पुलिस अधिकारियों के मुताबिक विवरण मिलने के बाद पूरी जानकारी देंगे। आपको बता दें कि दुर्घटनाग्रस्त वाहन सिक्किम मिल्क यूनियन के साथ पंजीकृत था। उधर मेले के बारे में पूछे गए सवालों पे जवाब देते हुए डीएम ने बताया और आश्वासन दिया कि पुलिस अधीक्षक एसपी के कार्यालय द्वारा विवरण की समीक्षा की जा रही है। दिल्ली से मरियम अली की रिपोर्ट।